Hey everyone, I'm Keisha and welcome to the first vlog on my new channel. Join us to a day at Bandra.
हमने लिटरली ट्रेन मिस कर दिया है। नहीं ट्रेन मिस नहीं किया, हमने स्टेशन मिस किया। नहीं हम लोग गलत ट्रेन में चढ़े। हमें पता भी नहीं है। हमने लिटरली हम दादर उतरे एंड उधर से हमने दूसरे ट्रेन We are not safe, bro. Look at me. We are surviving. भगवान भी बचाएंगे हमें। We reached safely. Not safely actually, but
हम लोग पहुंच गए
पहुंच कैसे तो
जिंदा है। Hello, we are back. Now we are
Checking out my
walking
camera.
to another destination from one destination, and it is very sunny. And we are done already, but we have to walk for another 20 minutes.
I'm so happy.
So Angel's camera, Digicam has finally started working, and we were setting the date.
My first pic.
Now we are walking towards the sea. See the sea. Horrible.
We just found a creep.
Very creepy guy randomly came to us while we were just taking a video of some scenery type of flowers. So he came and he's like, मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ, आपको कुछ एतराज तो नहीं होगा, etc. something he said, and we creeped out.
हमें कुछ
I am
समझा
getting
भी नहीं।
goosebumps right now. See this, and that
He was
man,
like आप लड़कियाँ and then he just said something.
yeah, he's like, आपको कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं होगी, हमें को एक बात लड़कियों की समझती नहीं है, etc. he said, and then he asked us something, but we were very, our brains were, नहीं भाई हमें नहीं रुकना है, हाँ, so our brains were just making an escape route because he was standing right in front of us. See, this is literally the thing, we are walking in sunlight and I'm getting goosebumps like this. So we said हमें नहीं पता, and we ran. We just escaped without looking at him.
We are literally surviving today.
Yeah,
सुबह से
our auto guy was on the verge of pursuing us to heaven, but we survived. Yes,
we survived the local, the rickshaw and not the creep.
yeah. That guy walking right there, he was the guy who asked us a creep question. Okay, he looked back at us. Can you see him? The white guy. And he is following us. He is literally. We thought, I immediately after we escaped from there, I checked in the camera if he was following us. But out of nowhere, he just went and sat there. Like, what the hell? He's asking some random guy over there some questions. Like, so silly.
So creepy.
अभी हम लोग बस भगवान का नाम लेके भागने वाले हैं. We literally crossed roads without looking at the cars. We were like, भैया रुको, हमारे पीछे कोई पड़ गया है, हम लोग भागना चाहते हैं, रुको. This is what we have done. Keep following us. I can't zoom right now. हम लोग भाग रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारे पीछे पड़ गया है कोई. Can we see? Yeah, he's still walking पीछे. But now we are just going to run. Our manzil is hardly 5 minutes more walking, and we are going to brisk walk and run.
दूसरे बंदे
We
ने
have
पूछा
lost
था कि can you give me a bike or cycle to follow them.
We have reached the peak of overthinking the worst situations that will happen with us.
Who wouldn't?
Exactly, who wouldn't? And now we are just running to God's house because only he can save us.
Yeah.
No one else will, because people are gross. And we have finally reached our destination. So we have come to Prarthnalaya और हमारा पोपट हो रहा है. We wanted to go to the shop down there, but it says it is closed on Sundays. जो मैं पहले आ चुकी हूँ, but मेरे को याद नहीं था. We came ऊपर to the chapel for the Blessed Sacrament, but that is also not exposed today. So आज सिर्फ पोपट ही हो रहा है. It's okay.
Church is so empty.
Yeah, there is no one in the church.
I hope at least God is present.
It's peaceful, but other days these windows are open and it's the seaside. But since the windows are closed, we are sweating.
We are sweating so much. बाल greasy हो गए.
Of course. And we have another best friend there, listening to our
We are
stories.
inviting each other for Ganpati and Christmas.
Yes.
अभी से.
अभी से, ताकि we block each other's dates.
Yeah.
We are in the washroom of the. हमारा शायद पोपट हो सकता है. That's so freezy right now. The thing,
And there's no, I think.
the thing we have come for, we did not see it anywhere. We'll have to check.
We are trying to find something, but sorry. Why is garlic cost 10 rupees? Like, is it like a small piece of bread? पता नहीं भाई. Soups
Let's
and
see what we
salad. She's so smart. We just wasted 748 rupees.
No, 728 rupees, because 20 rupees of water is okay. But
Yeah.
we spent 740 rupees for 2 drinks, 2 pieces of bread.
Two piece? It's like one slice. Like
उठा के देखा. This 50 rupees. And this. It is
250.
okay. It is okay, but it's not worth. Not worth, but okay.
too sweet. This क्या था इसका? Pink lemonade and Blue Bombay is 150, I guess. And that is like too bitter. Too sweet, too bitter. अजीब taste. Overpriced.
आज का दीदी भाई पेड़ा कर.
हाँ, अजीब था. I wouldn't say बेकार because you were there.
राउंड 1 का 50% was flop, 50 नहीं था 75% was flop. Only the chicken tandoori was actually the chicken tandoori. So now we are going for round 2, जिसमें हम लोग 2 चिकन तंदूरी ऑर्डर करने वाले हैं और एक चॉकलेट एक्लेयर ऑर्डर करने वाले हैं. करेक्ट? राउंड 2, so far so good. This is barbecue chicken, which is actually something to die for, as quoted by Miss Angel. It is so juicy and so soft. It is yummy.
10 out of 10. Must.
We finally decided what we want for the iris thing.
Okay, and this is what we want to do. Okay, so I'm gonna do the eye-shaped claw one thing, and Isha is gonna do explosion. So we have discovered something. 7 and 5. 75 is the number for today. We ordered our food and candies twice, and both the times the bill was 750. Now we are doing the iris photography, and it costs us 750 each. And right now Angel's phone battery is 75%. We are finally doing it. The bill. बाद हमारा पोलारॉइड मिलेगा और वो भी होम डिलीवरी होगा, बट उसके 50 to 150 रुपीज़ पोर्टल से होंगे ऐसा. दे टोल्ड अस आफ्टर वी डिड द आई थिंक आफ्टर आवर फोटोग्राफ वाज टेकन एंड एवरीथिंग वाज डन. सो नाउ आई रियली होप वो आ जाए, एंड it's not a scam because we have already paid 750 for that thing. So that's one thing. Now we are so much drained and exhausted that we are on our way back home. But we had a good day. We spent okay, like ठीक है ना? We spent 1,500
Like I think
in total per person.
Actually,
Per person.
मेरा इफेक्ट 1495 बस 5 रुपये बचे ना.
हाँ ओके, तो मेरा तो उससे थोड़ा कम है.
Like, but cash are different. Cash counting क्या है?
हाँ मैं राउंड
तेरा भी
फिगर बोला मैंने
Round figure,
1500, which is okay.
ठीक है.
Since like otherwise if we keep 1000 ka budget, it is okay. It just went 1500 because of that activity that we did. So it is, I think, considerate.
दादर पहुंच रहे हैं.
इंडिया इज नॉट फॉर बिगनर्स, क्योंकि हम बैंड्रा पे भी एस्केलेटर पे चढ़ के गए.
एंड अभी भी हम चढ़ के ही
जा रहे हैं क्योंकि ये देखो. So the escalators are not escalating.
एक्सपेक्टेशन था भी नहीं. देखो तो पता है.
The escalators are not escalating at all. They are just escalating our blood pressure. Dadar is dadaring a lot.
God,
We are tired.
I hate Dadar. This is number 1 hater of Dadar.
Though the view outside is okay, like pretty good.
कुछ pretty नहीं है भाई.
So we are nearing the end of today.
भांडुप पहुंच रहे हैं.
We are already at Bhandup, so
Yeah.
it's coming to end. Now I feel
We'll miss
sad.
you.
We have touched down Thane, as if we have landed by some plane. That we have touched down Thane, Lamau. We are so dead. Gone भाई, पता नहीं आज इतना क्यों हो रहा है. Weird. She is now going for bus and I'll take an auto.